So I was out with my brother the other day and just talking in general, and I was paying for something, and then I saw my wallet, and it was like, whoa, seen better days. And today, small, short unboxing. A little less on the DIY side and a lot more on the lifestyle side. You know, I also have a life of sorts. Yeah, no. So my brother saw this and he was like, no brother of mine, no brother of mine. So a few days later, lo and behold, he actually dropped off a care package for me, which had like new stuff. Today, I'm officially retiring this one. He. So the care package he dropped off had essentially two items. They're from Book and Ray. Smells like a lot of leather. So it's two, I think one is a bag and one is a wallet. So let's see what happens. Okay. So I've got 1 for 1 card. 4 cards and 6 cards and cash. So it's dependent on the occasion actually. So even if the slot is meant for 1 card, you can stuff it a bit more. So let's see with the smallest one actually, how many can I fit in here? So this is more like a pack light travel kind. 2 is comfortable. 3, yeah, I think at 3 you sort of start. Okay. Yeah, I think from a comfort perspective, in terms of being able to take it out as well, 4 is kind of like where the limit is at for this one. And obviously, even though it's small, if you stuff it a bit, it'll stretch it out, and it'll stretch it out, and you'll be able to still use it. So yeah, I think 4 is the limit for this one, but 3 is comfortable. So let's go 3 there. Then with the next one, which is the typical credit card size thingy, you've got 1. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 slots and 5 slots really. So you've got like 5 follow the rule slots, but again, still you can just stuff it just a bit. It's not that much bigger. I would have liked a better finish on the edge, but other than that, it is leather. It's not leather, it's leather. So yeah, and like the other one, the more you stuff it, the bigger it stretches, and then the more comfortable the fit. Snug. And the third one, also very simple. Not a lot of bells and whistles. This is probably family function, Lobola uncles type vibes. So again, it has 4 slots, but I think each slot can take an extra one here and there, and yeah. And obviously being able to put in a little cash is convenient as well. So all 3 of these, I think they have a place, and I think he did this knowing very well how I do things. So good choice. Naturally all black. That's the color of choice at the moment. And yeah, so from here to smallest. Yeah, so got smallest from Makolite type vibe to just genuine leather. And this was, it had a carbon fiber look, but it's really just plastic. So the bigger one, we've got a duffel bag, travel duffel bag. Okay. Okay. Feel like I need to wear a suit. This is nice, but it's a nice travel carry-on size duffel bag, full leather, really good quality YKK zips, lined. Yeah, probably need to get some leather food for this just to keep it nice. And yeah, so that was the duffel bag and wallet. And I'm growing up, eh? Younger ones start buying you things. It's nice. Yeah, so that was my care package unboxed for the day. Yeah, I think the wallet is going straight into commission. I'm gonna take the happy middle. I do this one for now. Seems like, yeah, I like to carry light. And yeah, let's see, just get all my cards from here. Hey, my cash. Zaga. So that away, in there. What's this? Boot and Riley. Smells like new leather. If you know what I'm talking about, that leather smell, that's what it smells like. Probably gonna be an excuse to travel or just get out of the house. Just decide I'm man. I will. Mizaga, Minyugo, Chalete, Machankura. Yeah. Goes in there. Wet pocket. So, is it unboxing if there's no box? So yeah, that's it for the boot and rally unbagging. Unbagging. Yeah, bagging.